Keyword research is essential for driving organic traffic. It involves identifying terms your audience uses in search engines. By strategically selecting these keywords, you can optimize your content to rank higher in search results, ensuring it reaches the right audience effectively. Keyword research is the process of identifying and analyzing search terms that people enter into search engines. It helps in understanding user intent and optimizing content to meet those needs. By targeting the right keywords, you can enhance visibility, drive organic traffic, and connect with your audience effectively. Keywords connect user queries to your content, acting as a bridge to organic traffic. They are the specific terms users enter into search engines. Keyword research involves discovering, analyzing, and selecting these terms to optimize your content strategy, ensuring you attract visitors genuinely interested in your offerings. Keyword research is crucial as 68% of online journeys start with search engines, and 93% of web traffic originates from search results. With 3.5 billion daily searches on Google, strategic keyword research ensures your content is discoverable, transforming it from a hidden gem into a valuable resource for your target audience. Keyword research involves identifying and analyzing search terms that people enter into search engines. It helps in understanding the language of your audience, uncovering popular topics, and determining the competitiveness of keywords. Effective keyword research guides content creation, ensuring it aligns with user queries and enhances visibility in search results. Understanding search intent is crucial for aligning content with user needs. Informational queries seek knowledge, like, what is keyword research? Commercial queries compare options, such as best keyword research tool. Transactional queries indicate readiness to act, like buy search engine optimization software. Navigational queries target specific sites, such as Ahrefs login. Short-tail keywords are broad, high-volume terms like coffee or search engine optimization, offering wide reach but low conversion. Long-tail keywords, such as best coffee maker for office use, are more specific, yielding higher conversion rates. Latent semantic indexing keywords, like beans or brewing for coffee, enhance content relevance by providing contextual support. Keyword research begins with brainstorming seed keywords. Identify core terms that define your business or niche. These foundational keywords help uncover related opportunities. Consider what your customers might search for. For a coffee shop, examples include coffee, espresso, cappuccino, French press, cold brew, and coffee beans. Start by brainstorming seed keywords that encapsulate your business or niche. These foundational terms, like coffee or espresso for a coffee shop, guide your research. Consider what your customers might search for, such as cappuccino or cold brew, to uncover numerous related opportunities. Utilize keyword research tools to expand your seed keywords into extensive lists. Ahrefs, keywords. Explorer offers up to 1.7 million ideas with difficulty scores. Google Keyword Planner provides search volume and competition data. Free tools like Ubersuggest and Answer the Public enhance your list without budget concerns, revealing untapped opportunities. Strategically analyze keyword metrics to identify valuable opportunities. Focus on search volume, keyword difficulty, and click potential. High search volume offers traffic, but often with competition. Lower difficulty scores indicate easier ranking opportunities. Click potential reveals true traffic potential. Target keywords with moderate to high volume, manageable difficulty, and strong click potential for optimal return on investment. Evaluate competitor keywords by examining the top 10 Google results for target keywords. Identify dominant content formats and understand the search intent they satisfy. Review backlink profiles and domain authority. Find content gaps where competitors are weak. Use tools to analyze competitors' highest traffic pages, then create superior content targeting the same keywords with enhanced depth and user experience. Let's explore keyword research in action. Start by entering Keyword Research Basics into Ahrefs Keywords Explorer. Apply smart filters to find long-tail keywords with medium difficulty and decent search volume. Analyze top rankings to identify dominant content types and assess search intent. Finally, select 5 to 10 primary and secondary keywords that align with your content goals. Begin by entering Keyword Research Basics into Ahrefs Keywords Explorer. Apply filters for long-tail keywords with medium difficulty and decent search volume. Analyze top rankings to identify content types like guides or tutorials. Assess search intent to match content format. Finally, select 5 to 10 keywords aligning with your goals and audience expertise. Mastering keyword research is essential for SEO success. It connects you with your audience, answers their questions, and provides strategic insights to outmaneuver competitors. Start small, refine often, and watch your organic traffic grow. Begin your keyword research journey today to unlock your website's full potential.